Good morning, Gertie. It's time for phonics. Hello, children. It's time for Fridge Phonics, and today our sound is oh, oh. What do you notice about these two letters? That's right, the oh and the oh together. Yes. It also makes ooh, ooh. And when we say ooh, it makes our lips make a circle, ooh. And it's the same with the sound oh. I want to say oh, oh. Two circles makes oh, and it also makes ooh. So that's two letters, different sounds. So we just need to learn them, children. So we're going to be building words with oh today. And the words we're going to be building are look, took, cook, book, foot, and good. Okay, let's begin. First of all, we need to do some sound talk, don't we? Or robot talk. I like to pretend to turn on my robot. Beep! I'm now a robot. Okay, look. O, k. Look. O, k. Look. O, k. Look. Okay, let's put the sounds down. O, look. How many sounds is that? 1, 2, 3. That's right. Ooh, what's going to go here? Ooh. Let's find it from our list. Ah, ooh. Oh, k, k, k. What's going to go here? K. Which k should we use? K. Is it going to be kicking k or curly k? I'll let you into a secret. It's kicking k. Look. Oh, k. Look. Did you get it right, children? Well done. Our next word is took. Took. What needs to change? If you listen, you can hear that took rhymes with look. So there doesn't have to be a lot of change. What needs to change? T, t, t. You're not t. You need to go. Goodbye. Hello. T, 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 t. That's right. T, o, k. T, o, k. T, o, k. Took. Excellent. Did you see that, children? There is a pattern. We started with look. And if you look, there's a pattern. And that's helpful, isn't it? The next word is cook. K o k, k o k, cook. What needs to change? Here or here? Of course. K o k, k. Let you into another secret. It's the curly k. K. Goodbye. Cook. See the pattern again, children? There it is. Cook. Our next word is book. We all love books, don't we? To read them. Book. B-o-k. Book. What needs to go? B. Goodbye. Come on, B. Yeah. B-o-k. Book. Well done if you got that right. Our next word is, it's a bit of a change. It's going to be a different pattern now. You won't have the ook in the word. This one is foot. Foot. F-o-t. Foot. F-o-t. Foot. F-o-t. What needs to change? That's right. Goodbye, ba. Ba 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 ba. Oh, t t t. Here we go. Foot. Oh, t. Foot. Excellent. And the final word is good. It's talking about you, isn't it? Good. You're good. G. O. D. Right. Can you sound out on your own? Fabulous. I heard you. G. G, 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 g. Where are you? Good. G, 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 g. G, O, D. G, O, D, 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 D. Okay. Let's find D. Here we are. There we are, children. Is that right? G, O, B. Oh, oops. What have I done? That's not a D. It looks a lot like a D, doesn't it? Easy to get mixed up, children. Do you forgive me? Easily done, but I'm going to correct my mistake. Goodbye. Come up. You are D and you are B. Stay up there. G, O, D. Good. Good. Like my dog, like Oscar. The good dog. That's what I say to him all the time. G, O, D. Good. Wasn't that fun, kids? See you next time.